Passive voice, simple past. Welcome to Teacher Boris Piñeres channel. Definition. In the active voice, the subject, person or animal did the action. Primitive people invented the wheel in Mesopotamia around 3500 BC. Chinese created the compass in around 1050 BC. The passive voice in past. The subject in the sentences precedes the action. The wheel was invented by Mesopotamians around 3500 BC. The compass was created by Chinese in around 1050 BC. Structure of passive voice in past. Object plus verb to be in past plus past participle. Objeto más verbo to be en pasado más pasado participio. Let's compare. Active. Carl Benz invented the car in 1886. Passive. The car was invented by Carl Benz in 1886. El carro fue inventado por Carl Benz en 1886. Ethiopians used tools 2.6 million years ago. Tools were used by Ethiopians 2.6 million years ago. Las herramientas eran usadas por los etíopes 2.6 millones de años atrás. Wright brothers achieved the first airplane in 1903. The first airplane was achieved in 1903 by Wright brothers. El primer avión fue conseguido en 1903 por los hermanos Wright. Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch described antibiotics in 1877. Antibiotics were first described in 1877 by Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch. Los antibióticos fueron primero descritos en 1877 por Louis Pasteur y Robert Koch. Now is your turn. Change the active voice to passive voice in past. The mom fed the baby. The baby was by. The man cleaned the railing. The railing by the. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like. See you soon on Teacher Boris Piñeres on YouTube.